many times have you dug up one of these when your detector told you that you had found this? Frustrating, isn't it? But it wouldn't have happened with an imaging detector like one of these GTI instruments from Garrett. With our exclusive Treasure Vision screen that shows you the precise size of each object you detect. Let me tell you about it. There was a time, not so many years ago, when sound gave the only clue to what a detector had found. And detectors seem to sound off on just about everything. Then came meters. Some were good and some not so good, but at least they gave an idea of what a detector had found, and some gave a pretty good indication of depth, for coins at least. Next, Garrett developed its famed GTA detectors with their graphic target analyzers. He or she needed only to compare the target cursor with the ID scale to get a pretty good idea of what was beneath the GTA's search coil, and press another touchpad to find out exactly how deep to dig for the coin. This was indeed amazing. Some called it the ultimate in treasure hunting. But Charles Garrett wasn't satisfied. He demanded a detector that would disclose more. He envisioned the ultimate coin-finding detector and insisted that the new instrument tell a hobbyist the size of the target as well as its metallic content and depth. He wanted a detector that would look beneath the earth, like this, and learn that here we found a silver dime that's certainly worth digging. Not an old can that we've wasted so much time and energy digging in the past. We call this Imaging by Garrett, an exclusive feature of these brand new detectors, the revolutionary Garrett GTI 2500 and 1500. Now, GTI stands for Graphic Target Imaging, and that's exactly what these amazing new detectors do. This feature gives the operator an image with the size, probable identity, and precise depth of every target. Of course, no detector can take a picture under the ground, but here's how that dime appeared on the GTI's Treasure Vision screen. Garrett has taken treasure hunting with a metal detector into a new age. The hobby will never again be the same. Now, let's learn more about the magic of imaging. We've found something, and the target ID guide says it could be a coin, a screw top, maybe a large can, or even a cash. Let's press the imaging touchpad and learn that it's a B-size target, which means it's most likely a coin or a small ring. What kind of coin? The target ID says a dime. Let's dig it up and see. What do you know? A silver dime. That's what Treasure Vision is all about, helping you to identify what you found before you dig. Both GTI detectors have 5 size ranges: A, B, C, D, and E. A indicates a target smaller than a coin. B is coin size. C is larger than a coin. D represents a 12-ounce can, and E is an object larger than a can. Let's examine some targets. Here's a soft drink can. Let's see what imaging says about this. Well, a D-sized target on the imaging grid, and that means probably a can, which we know that it was. How about this screw top? It's a C-sized target, and from where it's located on the upper scale in relation to the target ID guide, we can determine that it's a screw top. Just one more, the ever-present pull tab. Treasure Vision tells us it's another size C, and its location on the scale shows it as probably a pull tab. Well, there you have it, a brief but complete introduction to Imaging by Garrett, a truly marvelous innovation that advances you one step beyond into the magic realm of imaging. When you hear this, You can now see more than a target cursor. Just press Treasure Imaging, learn that it's a B-size target, and you'll soon be digging a coin, not a tin can that troubles everyone else. Yes, Garrett's treasure imaging is truly amazing. So I'll simply repeat what countless coin hunters all over the world are already saying. You'll love Garrett's GTI detectors. They're the world's ultimate coin finders.